Hello everyone. Ito na naman. Tayo sa mga hagdan na lalakarin. This is located in Shibukawa, Ganmaken. Malapit po sa Ikaho Onsen. This is a Buddhist temple. Sikat to siya sa Japan. I think may nag-taping kasi dito na movie yata. And then furniture yung temple. I don't know what movie exactly. Pero ang ganda niya. Oh. Cute mga tourist. Daming mapapicture. Ito po yung view niya. Kikita yung city. Ayan, diba? Ang ganda. Very calm lang siya. Daming tourist. So, let's go. Meron din silang cafe dito. Pwede kayo bumili ng milk tea and other things. Yan. Taiwanese product and matcha. Pabong milk tea, green tea, black tea, coffee, herb tea, soy milk, tapioca, merong hot and ice, fresh jellies, sea salt, lemon soda, rose milk, roselle, Taiwan green tea, herb tea, coffee, ice black tea, passion fruit. This is a good one. Pineapple tea, wonton, dessert dumplings, taro ban, veggie bawan, vegetarian meat dumplings, veggie nugget, basil roti with egg, breakfast burger, veggie burger. Yeah, the best. Vegetarian means meat rice, vegetarian barbecue meat, glutinous rice, zongzi. And ito po yung view niya. Di ba maganda? Very simple cafe lang. Pero maganda ang view. That's the view from this side. Kita nyo pa yung snow doon sa kabilang bukid. And then the other side, this one, you can see the Shibukawa city. There. Yan po. Ganito lang siya kalaki. Very simple. But very relaxing sa music. And then yes. Amazing. Akagi Mountain.